This is where the human comes back into play. The AI cannot build the loop. You have to build the loop. You are the architect. You decide things that are responsible. That's called task decomposition. So if the planned Tokyo trip, for instance, is too big, too vague, we break that down. Research destinations, check availability, look at weather, create itinerary, optimize route, cross-reference for pricing and airfare and travel patterns, etc. Right? So there's all kinds of aspects. So now if we apply this to localization, we won't just tell a large language model, translate this legal contract. That's a terrible prompt. It's a single shot. And okay, now you can improve. People will go crazy on how you can improve this. Translate this model, but take into account the translation memory and the glossary, take into account the style guide, take into account these reference files, and add context and add meat and beef to the approach. But that's all still single shot. As an architect, you can break that down. You can think about creating a process that works not just for that particular translation operation, but for many more. So for instance, the extraction process. You can identify useful context, whether in the form of translation memories or glossaries. You can perform an analysis on the source where you're looking for potential ambiguities, potential issues that will create translation issues in the future, so you can anticipate those. You can begin drafting, not as a final process, but as an iterative process, and reflecting over the translation process itself, using translation smells, for instance, in BureauWorks, to critique the terminology, the tone, the style, the consistency, the choices, right? And that's just a few examples of how you can break that down.